Hello, Andy, Klaus, Vortex Weather Insurance, and in this whiteboard session, we're going to talk about how is my rain insurance premium calculated. Rain insurance being very customizable, the premium can fluctuate depending upon how the policy is structured. Ultimately, it comes down to historical data. How likely is it going to rain at my event during my risk period? There are other factors involved as well, including the length of the risk period. Is your policy risk period 4 hours versus 12 hours? A 4-hour window is less likely to rain versus a 12-hour window. There's more likelihood that it's going to trigger the policy. What is your insurance limit? Higher insurance limit is going to mean you're going to have a higher premium. What is the rainfall threshold in your policy? A lower threshold, it's more likely to trigger the policy. The premium is going to be higher versus a higher threshold. Other factors include where's the location of the event, the time of day, the season. If it's rainier during these periods, it goes back to the historical data. That's going to control the costs. Premiums can be expensive, it can be affordable within a rain insurance policy. It goes back to how the policy is structured. We can help you do that. We can help your agent do that. Another factor to understand is that parametric insurance is not traditional insurance. Traditional insurance is an indemnity-based policy to where it puts you back to your pre-loss form. You have partial payments. Parametric policy, if the policy is triggered, you get your payment in full. So that is a premium factor if you get the full amount of your policy, regardless of any other factors, as long as the policy is triggered. Ultimately, we're here to help you build a policy that fits your needs. Contact us at vortexinsurance.com. Call or text 913-253-1215.